In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a video in Canva. Go ahead and open Canva on your computer. When it loads, you should see your recent designs in the center and a menu down the left side, which lets you know you are on the Canva home screen. From here, click Create a Design in the top right corner. A small panel opens, usually showing some suggested sizes like presentations or social posts. This panel is where Canva lists all the different formats you can start from. Now search for video or choose Video 1920 by 1080 from that same panel. Picking the video size makes a wide horizontal canvas, which is the standard for YouTube and most screens. After you pick it, a new tab or window opens with a blank page in the center and a timeline bar along the bottom. Next, choose a blank video or select a template from the options on the left. Templates appear as small previews that you can scroll through. If you click one of them, Canva automatically applies that design to your video page, including colors, fonts, and sample layouts. With your base ready, let us add your content. To bring in your own pictures or clips, click Uploads on the left, then upload your photos or videos from your device. Once they appear in the Upload panel, drag them onto the canvas to place them. When an item is on the canvas, you can resize it using the corner handles and move it wherever you like. From there, click Elements to add graphics, shapes, and stickers. You will see categories like shapes, lines, and graphics. Drag a shape into your video to use it as a background behind text, or add an icon to highlight a point. Many graphics are free, and if something is a paid element, it will show a small crown before you use it. Now click Text to add titles and captions. You will see options like add a heading or pre-made text styles. Click a style, then type your own words directly on the canvas. In the toolbar above, you can change font, size, color, and alignment. A helpful tip here, keep titles large and high contrast so they remain readable on phones. Next, click Audio to add music or sound effects. The panel shows tracks with names and durations. Click once on a track to preview it, then click again or drag it to add it to your timeline. The audio strip appears under your visuals so you can see where the music starts and ends. Arrange everything on the timeline at the bottom. Here, each page or clip appears as a block. You can drag clips left or right to change the order. Within a page, you can also adjust when an element appears using the timeline bar for that item. To fine-tune timing, drag the edges of each clip on the timeline to adjust its duration. When you shorten or lengthen a clip, the number of seconds usually appears as a little label so you can match scenes to your audio. Click the plus button on the timeline to add another video page or scene. A new blank page appears, and you can build it just like the first one. Beginners often forget this and overload a single page, but separate pages keep each moment clear and easier to edit. Now click Transitions between scenes if you want effects. A small transitions panel opens with styles like dissolve or slide. Click one to apply it, and you will see a tiny icon between the pages showing that a transition is set. Next up, click Play at the top of the editor to preview your video. Canva plays through all scenes with your audio, transitions, and timing. Watch for text that appears too late or clips that feel too short. Then stop the preview and adjust the timeline if needed. When finished, click Share in the top right, then choose Download. A settings window appears showing the file type and some basic options. Finally, select MP4 video and click Download. Canva prepares your file and then saves it to your computer as a single video. You have just created and exported a complete Canva video, ready to share anywhere you like. If this helped you get your video finished, a quick thumbs up helps more people find it, and you can subscribe if you want more Canva tips.